Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to make kimchi in an easy way. Kimchi is a traditional Korean cuisine whereby people eat it as side dish or import it into various kind of Korean cuisine. If you are not in Korea and couldn't find a Korean grocery store, it's okay. For this recipe, you just need some local ingredients whereby you can get them in supermarket. So yeah, this is the chili flakes I bought in Malaysia local supermarket. It is not necessary to use the Korean chili flakes. First step, wash the cabbage. The cabbage we're using here is the Napa cabbage, which is also known as Chinese cabbage. Yep, this step is to get rid of the water, which is necessary by every kind of microbes. Garlic will be added to the kimchi to give it a desirable pungent taste. Yeah, now let's move on to the kimchi paste. This is the most important part that impart the savory or the spicy flavor to the kimchi. The mixture is still watery now, so we gotta cook it until sticky. If you like kimchi that tastes sweeter, just add more sugar as you like. From the sensory wise, it tastes almost the same with the Korean chili flakes. Yep, the kimchi paste is done and need to be added to the cabbage later on. Can you see the water? This is the water excreted from the cabbage tissue. Yep, the cabbage now should be crunchy. Now add anything that you like into the kimchi paste. Some Korean families add green onions or even seafood, like octopus or oyster. Make sure every part of the cabbage mixes well with the kimchi paste. If you like kimchi with some nutty flavor, just add on some sesame. So this is the kimchi that I have made, and from the appearance you can see that the kimchi is kind of like transparent from for the inside. Yeah. So let me try it. Yeah. 太尴尬了吧这。